I want to introduce you a free VPN for your Google Chrome. You can use as extension to access the net by a free VPN. You can go to Google and search for VPN extension for Chrome, and from Chrome Web Store you can open this link. Okay, add the extension to your Google Chrome. Okay, we have added the extension. Now we can use this extension to connect the net from VPN. It has some free servers you can use to connect to internet. For first time it may take some minutes to load the VPN and know or open the extension. You can use free or paid versions, servers. I continue as a free. And as you can see, we have some servers here, France, Russia, and other countries as free servers. Okay, I choose, for example, United States and connect to internet. Okay, I'm now connected via VPN.